हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम हैं मुखर्जी नगर में। हमारे साथ है दृष्टि आईएएस का विवेक। ये मुंबई में रहता है। अभी ये बाजीराव एंड रवि में एडमिशन लिया है और साथ में इसने एनसीईआरटी कोर्स परचेज किया है पूरा यहाँ राय बुक शॉप से। देखते हैं कैसी है इसकी प्रिपरेशन और इसकी बुक्स। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। देख सकते हैं आप, ये कई सारी बुक्स हैं, मोर देन अ डजन।
So here you can see that there are so many books related to every subject. We can bring out.
Yeah. Now let's take out the books. And from here you can see from starting. This is the fine arts book, art and culture.
Of class 11. These are the
Class
final
11.
part 2 of class
Part 2
12.
of art and culture.
And this is the world history.
This is world history.
There were many books of world history, but we have only one right now.
And here's the ancient history for history. Paper 1 of world history, I think.
For paper 1.
Social change and development.
Don't do.
Sociology. This is for medieval India. Here it's for modern India. Next, economy.
No. We are continuing history. There are many books. These are the books of class 10.
This is of, I think, class 10th. Yeah.
Yeah.
India and contemporary world, part 2nd.
This is
This is part 1 of 9th class. If you are in boards or anything, you must read it. This is new NCERT based on new pattern textbook for class 8th. This all is of new education policy 2020. This is our past class 7th, and here over this is
society
for sociology. Even if you are having optional as your sociology, then also many people can, most of the people will refer it. And here you can see inside content. This is Indian society book. You can see the book is the page quality is damn good. And
Next is science.
as you all know that NCERT is must if you prepare for UPSC or any competitive exam related to government. Here class 7 science book.
Yes.
Like it is beyond the level. Means most of the teachers just suggest 9th and 10th books, but
But you have to read from basic.
here our boy reading 7th class book also for science. Science 8th class book.
This is the most important and necessary book in the whole service. 9.
Science 9th class book. Science
must.
10th class books. Actually these are the compulsory books, you can see. But for extra knowledge you can prefer to 8th and 9th and these also. If
And-
any boy
and this is the book of class 12.
this is of
You have to read only
biology.
last
If you are
chapters.
preparing for any NEET or like
No, no,
that
no.
exam, you
you
must be aware of this.
You can read
But
only
our boy is from PCMB background. Actually, he is having bio and mathematics both in the 12th level. So nothing new for him. But as a course, you have to get those books also.
you have to read only 3 chapters. There were 4 chapters, but NCERT cut down only 1 chapter. I don't know what's the name. I think it's biotechnology, and these were removed from this book. These are now only 3 chapters. You can see. Let's go to politics. Yes, book of politics.
These all are politics.
And yes,
Social science.
yes, and
This
and
is
these
social
are-
science. This is social science class 7th book of NCERT. You can see the new parliament building over here. Because all these books are of new pattern, new education policy, the NCERT books. So the parliament building is also new here. Quality of pages is also means as expected
Good.
and good. Here the social science political life textbook for class 6. Even they are providing class 6th book of NCERT too. These are very interesting books. You can see voting in rural area. A mark is put on the finger to make sure that a person casts only one vote. Here this is class 8th book. here also Nari Shakti Vandan only like new parliament.
UPSC ने implemented किया.
And here over it's contemporary world politics class 12. If you are having like political science or any political science honors or type, then you must have read these books. Nextly here it's political science, political in India since independence. Actually this is the must read book. You cannot skip this one.
No. You can skip. This is the must.
Oh, means these are the like diamond Kohinoor. Basically this is not the Kohinoor, but it is also a diamond.
Yes.
Yeah. So
These are fake diamond. These are real diamond.
these are rare metals, rare earth metals. This is a good metal, like you can say.
This is iron. This is gold. And
Yeah. So here politics in India since independence, and here over.
Please continue.
Okay. This is class 9th book of social science, democratics, political.
Political science.
Yeah, political science. Democratic politics, first part. You can see here our leader and auntie. Quality of page
Too
is
much good.
yes, as expected and even more good from beyond the expectations. Next, here comes our democratic politics, class 10th book. You can see voting type things, and here over QR also given, so that the PDF of the book you can download from the internet. And,
Okay, Vivek, so why have you chosen UPSC only? Why don't you have, as you have told me, that you have biology as your 12 subjects.
Yes.
So you can go for NEET and MBBS and BMS, and in medical line you can pursue your career.
Yes.
But you have chosen UPSC, keeping all the things beside. Even you have not done any graduation in any BSc or like that, you have just pursuing the BA. So why you have chosen only the UPSC? Like,
That's a good question. सबसे पहले मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि मतलब बायो चूज़ करने का कारण मेन ये था कि मेरे स्कूल में थी मैथ्स, बायो और कॉमर्स. मुझे कॉमर्स करनी नहीं थी. मैथ्स से मैं बहुत दूर रहता था क्योंकि मैथ्स मेरा खराब था. तो लास्ट बायो बची तो मैंने बायो कर ली. इसका आंसर ये. अब उसके बाद ये है कि दूसरी चीज़ कि मैं यूपीएससी में क्यों आया. तो इसका कहानी तो बहुत लंबी है कि मुझे कैसा अच्छा लगा यूपीएससी का फील्ड. तो मैं सिंपल कहना चाहूँगा कि जब मुझे पता चला अच्छे से कि ये फील्ड मेरे लायक है, मुझे लगता है कि मैं कर सकूँगा. जो टफ वर्क है, मतलब हार्ड वर्क की जो, वो मुझे लगता है कि मैं उस चीज़ के लिए बना. मतलब मैं कभी इसी से थकूंगा नहीं कि मैं हार्ड वर्क फील्ड में क्यों आया, यार ये तो बहुत टफ है, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था, वगैरह वगैरह. ठीक है. और आपने जो सवाल पूछा कि मैं बीए क्यों कर रहा हूँ बीएससी में, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि मतलब बीएससी में थोड़ा टाइम देना पड़ता है. साइंस पढ़ोगे थोड़ा टाइम देना पड़ता है आर्ट्स के मुकाबले. अब क्या है कि मैं अगर ये यूपीएससी की तैयारी कर रहा हूँ तो आर्ट्स में पढ़ रहा हूँ और आर्ट्स कॉलेज के सब्जेक्ट है तो पूरा कवर हो जाता है. पर बीएससी में थोड़ा साइंस के सब्जेक्ट ज़्यादा रहते हैं, ज़्यादा के पूरे साइंस के ही रहते हैं. तो बीए का मुझे लगता ही है. और आपने पूछा कि मैं स्कूल ऑफ ओपन लर्निंग से क्यों कर रहा हूँ, तो मेरे पास हाँ कि मेरे पास चांस था.
he have chosen DU means SOL program within the University of DU, but he have no any mandatory attendance policy to go to the college and all that.
सो सोल यू चूज़ करने का मेन मकसद ये था कि मुझे करनी थी तैयारी. बस सिंपल शब्दों में कहूँ तो तैयारी करनी थी. बाकी अगर मैं कॉलेज आता रेगुलर तो मुझे अटेंडेंस का रहता. आज ये चल रहा है कॉलेज में, वो चल रहा है, तो मैं चाहता कि मैं सेक्रीफाइस करने को तैयार हूँ. तो मेन चीज़ है कि अगर
So it was a plan of your parents or yours?
नथिंग इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ पेरेंट, दे हैव गिवन ओनली मी मनी.
They are
and all
giving
things is
you a
mine.
lifestyle
And
and
all
pursuing
things is
your
mine.
career, but you all
All thing is in mine.
okay. Have you chosen any like secondary option
No,
for
no, they
for
were-
your backup? Like if
There was no secondary option and secondary backup. You can say all the backup, second option, plan B, blah blah blah. But that's all depend on my destiny. If I clear UPSC in my sixth attempt, so that's good.
Like
if
how
I
much?
not,
Okay.
so I will move towards my state PCS.
Okay.
And that's
Like
it.
how much hours you give to your study daily on a regular basis?
There were no regular basis, so there were many people face many problems like lack of
Like
consistency.
I'm asking your hours of daily.
Mine
मतलब
is-
कितने घंटे आप देते हो daily अपनी
Yes,
preparation को?
I understand that. So mine is approximate. You can say that 10 hours. Approximate.
10 hours you are pursuing daily basis.
So there were plus minus 2. There were 12 hours. There were 8 hours. So you can take a reference as 10 hours maximum.
Are you having any thought about the assistant professor or GRF net or all the exams?
Never think about it. Never.
Okay, so you have a straightforward
Toward
view
UPSC.
towards the UPSC.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
तो आपको यहाँ कैसा लग रहा है अभी, क्या मतलब आगे का सोचा है कैसे?
अब आगे का तो मेरी मेहनत बताएगी, कुछ सोचा तो है नहीं, जो सोचा है उस पर चल रहा हूँ अभी।
आपको ये सारी NCERT बुक्स कितना कॉस्ट की हैं मतलब?
ये मुझे पड़ी थी 4400 की, और पूरा डिस्काउंट लगा के उसने मुझे दिए है 4200.
4200. You purchased these all books from Rai Bookshop.
Yes, 4250 rupees from Rai Bookshop.
Okay. So हमारे व्यूअर्स को कुछ कहना चाहोगे आप?
जो अच्छा लगता है वो करो, चाहे क्या,
अगर ये वीडियो
चाहे
अपलोड हुई?
कितना भी टफ कर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, चाहे कितना ही टाइम लगे, चाहे लोग कुछ ही बोलें, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, जो करना है करो अच्छे से। ये बुक्स दिखाई दी हैं, पढ़ लेना। मेन चीज़ 11-12 का थोड़ा ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना, बाकी 6 to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 तक तुम पढ़ सकते हो, अच्छे से पढ़ के फिर बंद कर देना मेरे हिसाब से। तो उसके बाद 11-12 बार रिवाइज। अभी तो मेरा निकला नहीं है, मैं ज्ञान नहीं बेलूँ, बस जो मुझे पता है वो बता रहा हूँ बस।
तो मैनी कंग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर यू
फॉर योर जर्नी
for your journey and best of wishes from
YouTube.
my side and our YouTube family.